Hey, it's Joey from Imzz Elite, and we're back in the shop. We got this 06 Street Bob fresh out of the paint shop, so we're gonna go ahead and throw a Dyna skid plate on here, and we'll show you what's up. Let's go. To get started, get this popped on. Sometimes they're a little tight, so you may have to spread it just a hair just to get it pulled on there. And I like to get the two bottom bolts started first. This hole is a little jacked up, so we're gonna have to run a tap. It's always a good idea actually to run a tap in these first before you try to install it. I should have done that, but it's a little word to the wise. Maybe run a tap through those before you try to install anything, crash bar, skid plate. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So it's a good idea to start taps by hand, so you don't just start turning it with a ratchet all cocked sideways. And you never really want to drive taps under power. Some of these taps want to start rough when these holes are dirty. Alright, now that we've got those holes cleaned out, let's get our skid plate back up. And we got those holding that in place. Get a little Loctite on your top two. Once you get your back two started, put in the front two, you're just gonna push up on it a little bit so you get those bolt holes lined up. Once your bolt holes are all lined up and everything's started, torque everything down. You're ready to rip.